Hey everybody, this is Dave's Jeep. Dave, does your Jeep have a name? No. Okay, this is Dave's Jeep. You're not in the shot. You want to be in the shot?
No.
Okay.
You're going to be in these shots.
And up there is about to be an iKamper rooftop tent, which is still sitting in the box right here. Dave, how much does this thing weigh?
125 pounds.
125 pounds. He needs, we're going to go 4 friends to get it up because this Jeep roof rack
GOBI
is
roof rack.
about, this is a GOBI. What would you say? This is 6.5 foot?
7 feet.
7 feet.
7 feet.
Okay, so we're gonna take that and put it up there, and we're gonna show you how we do it coming right up. All right, Dave, take us through.
So these are the brackets that are going to hold.
Hold on one second. Did you wear that shirt just for today?
No.
Okay. You go into his wardrobe. His whole wardrobe's just Jeep shirt, Jeep shirt, Jeep shirt.
I have
Okay.
Jeep hats too.
All right, go ahead.
So these upper parts slide onto a track on the bottom of the tent. And then,
iKamper.
and then these strap around the crossbars.
Okay.
So we got a crossbar here. We have a crossbar here, although I'm not sure that this crossbar is going to fit because we have this grate underneath.
Well, they're adjustable. We can move it if we have to, right? Or
but yeah, it's going to be back there somewhere where this is. So the fallback position is that it goes on the back of this rack.
okay.
And we're not going to know that until we get the tent up there, and then we'll figure that out.
All right.
Right here, you've got enough gap. It looks like here, even if you were to just slide it back like maybe a half inch,
Oh, well, then maybe that's what we'll do.
you're gonna get some clearance, I do believe. So we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
And that's the deal is, you got aftermarket stuff that you're mixing with aftermarket stuff, and you just got to see how it works.
Right on. Okay, let's get going after this thing. We're gonna get this thing lifted up. We're gonna try it. Let's go.
What are you doing here?
Right now, what I'm doing is I'm having to loosen the bolts from the front cross member because we don't have enough track for the brackets to clamp to this. So we're going to move it back just enough, just so it's flush with that rack and the actual bracket itself at the end, and then that way we can start mounting it down. So there you go.
Right.
So
I'm gonna finish this beer while he does that.
Okay, seriously, folks, man, this is one of the most amazing things that's going on right now in the RV and the camping industry of these rooftop campers. We just installed this iKamper Mini on top of the GOBI rack for this Jeep Wrangler here. And we got to do a little bit more tweaking with the adjustments here on the brackets, and then we're going to go through a few short steps of pulling it out, installing it and popping it up and seeing what it looks like. So, hoping you're enjoying this video. Make sure while you're watching this video that you hit that subscribe button and click that bell in the upper right-hand corner, because we need your love.
The rooftop tent is on. It's secure. If it's not secure, it's Dave's fault. But we double checked it. So Dave, you've not had this out of the box yet, right?
Have not had out of the box.
Out of the enclosed hard shell, hard side. So Dave's about to expand it, and we're gonna run it right into those power lines up there, and chaos will ensue. Keep watching. Here we go. Need some help on the other side? I got it. All right, nice. Oh, look at that! And you got ladder to spare. You can actually drop that thing down. Probably one click. Read the instructions, everybody. I'll have it figured out by the time he gets that out. Just saying. All right, I got it. So that's all the way down. These are all the way out. Part of the challenge here is it's up.
Keith, would you explain to our audience what angle that might be and how easy it is to be able to get up there?
I mean, so the angle here, this looks like it's like 40 degrees maybe, something like that. I mean, it's a good ladder lean. I mean, it's not, it tilts pretty good.
Here, take this up with you.
All right, you want to have a look inside? Sure. So we got Velcro enclosures, and then look, we got repair kit, everything up in there, a map of the world that you can color on. Tell everybody where you've been. This is cool, man. This is a nice. This acts as a cleanable area here.
Yeah, that's the
Support rods.
There you go.
And we've learned through trial and error. You start at the bottom. You put the bottom ones in first. They go in at an angle, not straight on, like this. They go in at an angle, and then you attach the top hook into those loops. Right. There's one right there.
All right, so thanks, Dave. Thanks to Dave. Appreciate you letting us come over and take this opportunity to install your rig. This is so cool. Thank you, iKamper, for making an awesome product. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking that bell and hitting that subscribe button. Also, go over to partskinda.guru.com and log in and watch some podcasting, because we have that as well. So thank you guys for watching.